Our math page for section 3.3 on the angle addition postulate. They tell you what an angle bisector is here. So you're probably going to need that information somewhere on here. Number 1 says to state the angle addition postulate for the diagram shown. Let me back this up a little bit. We have two little angles and they make a big angle. That's your angle addition postulate. So if that helps you, you can write that down first. But they want you to be specific. What are the little angles? Well, the little angles would be angle ABM. So its measure plus the measure of the other little angle, MBC, adds up to give you the measure of angle ABC. That's all you need to do. Little plus little equals big. Specifically, that's what we're referring to. Number 2, an angle of measure 160 is bisected. Remember, that just means split in half. What is the measure of the two angles formed? You're splitting an angle in half. Explain how you found this measure. You divided by 2. Number 3, find the value of the variable for each situation shown. Explain your steps in finding the value. So here's two little angles and they make this big angle, angle CER, which they're telling you is 75 degrees. Little plus little equals big. So we're going to write that equation. 5x minus 5, that's a little angle. 2x plus 10 is a little angle. 75 is a big angle. Add them together. Set them equal to 75. Combine your like terms. 5x and 2x are alike. Negative 5 and positive 10 are alike. That gives you 7x plus 5. Take 5 away from both sides. Divide by 7. Find the value of the variable. That's what they ask you to do. And you did it. How do you know you're right? Plug it back in. 5 times 10 is 50, minus 5 is 45. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30. 45 and 30, does that make 75? Yeah. So you did that right. Part B, they're telling you the measure of angle WXY is A degrees. So we don't know. WXY. A degrees. Well, this is a lot easier than it's making it out to be. You have two little angles. How do you find the measure of the big one? Little plus little equals big. You can flip it around if you want using that symmetric property. There's your variable.